How many kilometers has our car driven? It's less than 120,000. How does it feel when driving? Have you driven other batteries besides Tesla before? How can I compare with him a little faster? What have I changed after 110,000 kilometers? I haven't changed anything. I came here for maintenance today and changed the oil and green heart. Then what about the air conditioner? Yes. The oil is very black and contains a lot of impurities. If you don't change it for a long time, it will break down. Someone has a problem. Let's take a look. There are so many leaves here that the water tank is clogged. If the three of us don't clean it up, it will easily cause problems when compressing for a long time. Subtitles by Solania. Subtitles by Solania.